Good morning. All right, I hope everyone's hearing me. I got the echo gone, so that's huge. All right, so we are get back in play here with the Northern Neck real estate market update. It is Tuesday, May 30th. I hope everyone had a wonderful Memorial Day, remembering for the purpose of the weekend, and also had a great time relaxing with friends and family. I know I did a lot of relaxing, so I'm full of energy and here ready to give you the numbers for Lancaster and Northumberland County, the real estate market numbers. So our active listings in inventory for Lancaster and Northumberland counties is actually up this week, just a hair over last week. We are looking at 101 active listings on the market. So right now I'm trying to pull up. See, I'm always having a glitch. I don't know what happened to my numbers from last week, so I can have those ready for you. Okay, here we go, coming up. Okay. Now that I got that out the way, okay, always something, always something. So anyway, yes, our inventory is up. We had 93 active listings last week, and this week we are at 101. So we have broken 100. I haven't seen this in quite some time, so that's a little exciting, especially since nationally all we keep hearing about is how the market has slowed and things are not happening. Still not where I would love to see it, but considering this time last year we had 107 active listings, we are pretty comparable to this time last year. Our strength of market has gone down over last week. We were at 84%, and this week we're at 79. So what even is the strength of market? That is what tells us if we are in a buyer's market or in a seller's market. So if that strength of market number is 55% or higher, we're in a seller's market. And if it's below that, we are in a buyer's market. So at 79%, we are still in a seller's market. Now I break down into some various price points. All of the price points have dropped in strength of market except for one, and it's probably not the one you're thinking of, but let's get to it. Okay, so 0 to 200,000 has dropped in strength of market. It was 350% last week, and this week it is 225%. So we have 8 active listings in this price point, and 18 are pending closing or under contract. Our average days on market has fallen for this price point, and we are now looking at 53 days on market for active listings in both counties for this price point. 200 to 400,000, that has dropped as well to 64%. So both of those are still above that 55. They are both in a seller's market. 400 to 600,000 has dropped to 73% strength of market. So that as well is in a seller's market. 600 to 800,000, we're looking at 91% strength of market. So that one just dropped a little bit. It was 100% last week, and it's dropped a little bit. We have 11 active listings in that price point. And 800 to 1 million has dropped to 67%, so still in a buyer's market. So all of these price points are in a buyer's market. In a seller's market. All of these price points that I've just gone over are in a seller's market. They're above that 55% threshold. 1 million plus is at 50%. So it is in a buyer's market, but when you consider last week, it was at 28%. This week it's at 50, like holy smokes. So there are 18 active listings in this price point and 9 are pending and under closing. So that is it for the residential part. Now I'll just dive into a little bit of information on land, since we do have a lot of land in these two counties. Currently, we have 456 active land lots on the market. When you compare that to 530 listings last year, we are down 14% in inventory for land, but our strength of market is 10%, so it's definitely a buyer's market. So that is it for the Northern Neck real estate market update for this week. If you have any questions about these numbers or any real estate related questions or questions about the Northern Neck, please don't hesitate to ask. You can also go to my website at www.virginiastoughton.com, click on blog. I have my past video replays, and I have all of my spreadsheet numbers, all of the data in print on my blog. So if you like to look at numbers, I have a little bit more information on my spreadsheets than I do on the video. So if you want to check those out, go right ahead. And again, reach out if you have any questions about these numbers. All right, so that's it for this week. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And I will see you again next Tuesday at 1. Bye.